Hello guys, so welcome back to Academic Technology channel. Today we are going to talk about free resources where you can learn how to code, where you can learn programming, where you can actually start your tech journey. Remember and feel free to subscribe to our channel, share our videos, drop your comments and drop topics you want us to talk about on the next video. The first resource we want to talk about is W3 School. Look at the web address w3schools.com. It's a website where you can learn whatever programming language you wish to learn. It's free. What you have to do is to register or log in. It even has certification. You can learn with write-up, you can learn on video tutorial, HTML reference, you can take exam and get certified if you want to get certified. It even have editor where you can actually try things yourself. HTML tutorial, this is heading. So let's say this is our demo. Okay. So let's try it ourselves. Let's say this is Udemy, and let's make this paragraph bold, right? And run. So look at it here. Look at the effects here. If I remove this, look at it. This paragraph is the paragraph is bold. This is Udemy technology. If you remove this bold and run it again, look, that bold has gone off. So these W3 schools, let's go back. It's actually a website where you can learn whatever programming language, whatever coding you want to learn. JavaScript, it comes in topics. Look at SQL, look at PHP, jQuery, Java, you have C++, you have W3, you have W3.css, you have Bootstrap, C, C Sharp, R, Kotlin. If you want to learn Kotlin, whatever you want to learn, just click on it. When you click on it, look at all the topics you need to learn. At all the topics and it will come one after the other. This is a free resource and it's free. If you can notice, I've not even signed up yet, but I have access to all this information. I have access to all this tutorial for free. If I want to check SQL, I'll just come to SQL and click learn SQL. This is it. If I want to learn by video, I'll just go to video and say video tutorial. So this is actually a video tutorial. Look at it. So I will advise you to look at W3 School when you are looking for free resources. It's free, you don't get to pay any money for it. But if you put your interest on coding, on programming, you will learn how to code using W3 Schools. Another one is Freecodecamp.org. Here you learn to code for free, you build projects and you earn certification, just like W3 Schools. Since 2014, more than 40,000 Freecodecamp.org graduates have gotten jobs at tech companies including Apple, Google, Microsoft, Spotify, Amazon. You can actually register for Freecodecamp for free and kick your tech career from there. If you go down, you will see verified free certification you can actually get: responsive web design certification, JavaScript algorithm, front-end development, data visualization, relational database, back-end development, and API certification, quality assurance certification. You can learn any of these things for free, and when you sign in, you will see other courses you can actually learn for free. For example, let us click on this responsible web design certification. When you go down, you will see so many courses that you can actually do on it. You can start a project, you can learn basic CSS by building a cafe menu. These are projects you can actually build. In the process, you can earn this certification. Let's go to data visualization. You can look at how to add attributes and the rest of them. These resources are free. These resources are free. I will advise you to look at Freecodecamp while you are on your tech journey. The third one is YouTube. Actually, you cannot talk about learning resources without mentioning Google powerful video online repository called YouTube. You can browse whatever you want to learn. You can search whatever you want to learn. For example, I just searched MySQL join clause. You will go down and see a lot of video explaining MySQL join clause. MySQL join clause explain inner join and the rest of them. So if you like this one, you can actually decide to open it and view the tutorial. So I will advise you, whatever you are doing, do not look away from YouTube. YouTube is a very powerful online video tutorial. The next online resource I'm going to talk about is Udemy.com. Here there are courses that you buy, but there are also other good courses that are free. I will advise you to register on Udemy, take their certification after you finish the course. Here there are so many free resources that you can use to learn depending on the stack that you choose, right? Just if you log in, just log in with your account. I think I have an account with Udemy. Now that I've logged in, you will see some of my courses. You will see the ones I bought and the ones that are free. Like this JavaScript Essential is free. This Git started with GitHub is free. So I would advise you to, and I still have my wish list, I still have my list, I still have my archive and learning tools. So whatever you want to learn, I would advise you to also look at Udemy. You must not actually start with the paid courses. You can start with courses that are free. Then before you now go to paid courses. Another resource I will advise you to look at is Codecademy.com. Join the millions learning to code with Codecademy for free. Just sign up with your email. Here there is popular course, JavaScript, HTML, SQL, Java introduction. You can actually explore if you want. Look at the tutorial, look at the syllabus, element and structure tables, form semantic. You can start, just sign up and start. If you go down, you see so many other subjects. This is an editor. If you choose to run your code on this website, these are actually stories from people who have learned from Codecademy.com. These are subjects they cover: AI, cloud computing, code foundation, computer science, C, R, C++, HTML, Java, and the rest of them. So if you are interested in learning coding and programming for free, I would advise you to check codecademy.com. Next website you should actually check if you want to learn coding or programming for free is Codewars.com. Achieve mastery through challenges. Improve your development skills by training with your peers on code kata that continuously challenge and push your coding practice. You can easily register or log in and learn new languages, get new perspective, compete with your peers. The latest they have now is Andela and Codewars joining forces. So I would advise you, if you want to learn, these are top languages that people are learning right now at codewars.com. I will also want you to look at edx.org. It contains so many certifications that you can write. For example, look at top courses to explore. Under computer science, you have Google Cloud Computing, Introduction to Blockchain, Programming for Everybody, Getting Started with Python, Google Cloud Computing Foundation. If you want artificial intelligence, data science, and any other programming course that you want, you can explore more on computer science courses. You can also look at Khanacademy.com. For every student, every classroom, real results. They are a non-profit organization with the mission of providing a free and world-class education for anyone, anywhere. So if you are interested in learning programming, I will advise you to check out this website. Look at the Theodinproject.com. Your career in web development starts here. They have full curriculum and they have different other courses that you can study on the Odin project. This Ruby database, Ruby on Rails, intermediate HTML, CSS, JavaScript, advanced HTML, and CSS, Node.js. You can even get hired from this website. And It's free. I will advise you to look at the Theodinproject.com. Another website I want you to look at is Educative.io. Explore over 500 courses on programming, cloud computing, data science, and machine learning. So if you are hoping to be a programmer, a software engineer, if you want to learn coding, I will want you to look at Educative.io. So the website I personally don't do without while doing my programming courses is Tutorialspoint.com. It has so many resources, 5,000 plus premium course. Look Tutorials Point. Do not overlook Tutorials Point. They even have ebooks, they have video courses, they have library, they have articles, so many of them. Please, I beg you, look at tutorialspoint.com. And the last on my list today on this video is Developer.Mozilla.org. You can see HTML, CSS, JavaScript. There are so many documentation about HTML, about CSS, about JavaScript, about HTTP, about API that you can always see from here. All right. What I will always advise is, especially JavaScript, I will advise you to check out developer.mozilla.org JavaScript. Look at JavaScript basic, JavaScript first steps. You will see JavaScript guide. You will see intermediate. You will see advanced. So I will not advise anybody to do JavaScript without checking developer.mozilla.org. So I hope I'm able to open your eyes on free resources that you will need while learning coding, while learning programming. Please remember to subscribe to our Demic Technology channel. Remember to share our video and remember to drop your comments.